Now let's see how to apply for a Facebook ad account. Simply, you will come to the home, come to the dashboard. Here you will find the Facebook option at the top. You need to click on it, and then currently you do not see any ad account showing. Here when you apply for an ad account, it will show in pending applications, pending deposit if you are adding funds. It will show from here, pending modify will show from here. Pending shares will be shown here as pending. If you have requested any refund, you will be able to see everything here. Simply click on create ad account. Like apply ad account, create ad account is the same. Like here you have to select the license. If you have previously requested any ad account, then you would have created old licenses. But if not, you will have to create a new license. I will explain what the use of this license is. Once you apply for an ad account, when you take a license, like right now, I am putting in the name of any random license here. Well, this license will be used a lot. You can request an ad account on Facebook at least 5 to 6 times with one license. What will happen there is when you are applying for Facebook pages here, you can apply for a maximum of 3 or 5 pages. So you will be able to use this page on the old license. But if you are applying for a new license, you will not be able to use the old pages, and you can use the page and DM a maximum of 5 to 6 times on a single license. If the old license is not working, then apply it on the new license. There is no charge for creating a license. It's free of cost. Then you have to select how many pages you need on the page. Currently, I need only 3 pages for this ad account, so I will select 3. You can select a maximum of 5. Then here you have to add the URLs of the Facebook pages. Like right now, I have a total of 3 pages that I have created here. So first, I will go to open a new tab and create links for all 3. The links from here, you have to in the header, you will see here you will find the link to view, but you need to copy these. As you copy, you have to paste everyone URL here. Like you will see here that I have pasted all 3 URLs. Then here below, you need to click to confirm whether you have shared access to these 3 pages on this profile or not. Now this profile is from some agency site, and when they put it in ad account approval in Meta, it should show that they are the owner of that page. Until your ad account is approved, if you have applied for 5, a new profile link will be generated for all 5 of your pages. You need to copy it and share access to these 3 pages. Now how do you share access? How do you share access to a Facebook page? Simply go to home. Your profile will appear here. You need to switch from your profile to the page. So like after you go to the name of your page, you will see an option for a professional dashboard here. You will see some bars, stock up and types of bars. After clicking on this, an option for all tools will appear below. If you scroll a little, you will see the option for page access. You need to come here and you will see with whom your page access is shared. Click on add new, click on next, and then paste the profile URL you copied here into the page access. Then allow this person full access. As soon as you give full access, you need to fulfill the password here and it will be confirmed the same. You need to share access to all the pages. Now it is asking me for a code on the email, so I will enter the code here first. So as you have successfully entered the code, access to your page,
it has gone to that profile which is Kimi's.
And after the ad account comes, you can remove access. Similarly, I will share access to all pages. Okay. So once the access to all 3 pages has been shared, then you need to tick here that yes, I have shared access to all 3 pages on this profile. Then it will ask for the domain, whether you are requesting for something, asking for an ad account or for an app. So we are asking for the domain. We will select the domain because you operate in 2 ways within Facebook. You run ads on the domain, you run application ads, so you need to select the domain. Need unlimited domain, yes or no? Here you need to select yes. If you select yes, it means you can use it on any domain. If you select limited, you will be able to use it on a single domain, so I will select yes. Here it is asking if you want to become a VIP membership and pay 1 by 1 for ads. Here VIP membership means they have some monthly VIP memberships that you can check out where you can request unlimited ad accounts. So we will click on pay 1 by ad and then select how many ad accounts we need. We need 1 ad account. Yeah, here you have to set the name. Like I will set the name here. This is the name I have set. After setting the name of the ad account, you have to select the time zone. Like I will select Asia because the client is from Asia. You have to select the deposit, how much you are depositing. Yeah. While you are requesting an ad account for the first time, you can also request a $0 ad account. But it means you will have to pay a total of $33 only for the ad account. The rest you can add funds to it later from here after requesting a $0 ad account. But right now I already have $100 to done, so I will order a total ad account of $133 and the total costing will be shown below. Your ad account of $100 is costing you $33. The total costing of the ad account, your wallet is charged a total of $133. As soon as you click on pay, your ad account will be successfully applied from here. I'm here, you will see that you have applied for an ad account. If you click on details, it will show you all the details like what your license name is, which pages you have applied to, which profile you have given access to, and the domain is selected as unlimited. Here you will see all the details of your ad account. The total costing will be shown here. After this, when you come to the home, your wallet charge will become 0 here because it will be deducted from the wallet and transferred to your Facebook ad account.